In the competitive world of car merchandising, a picture isn't just worth 1,000 words. It's the gateway to a sale. High-quality photos are crucial, as they build visual trust and keep potential buyers engaged on your website longer. A dedicated photo studio is your secret weapon for capturing the perfect shot. Imagine a space bathed in natural sunlight, with optimal lighting, diffusers, and reflective floors designed to make every car look its best. But what if you're shooting outdoors? Avoid the midday sun, which can wash out colors and details. Instead, aim for overcast days or lightly shaded areas to achieve that soft, studio-quality light that makes colors pop. Don't skimp on the number of photos. Aim for at least 20 per car, showcasing every angle and detail. Highlight unique features, and, if the car isn't feature-rich, focus on its pristine condition post-detailing. For a truly immersive experience, offer virtual car tours. These allow customers to explore every inch of the vehicle, inside and out, from the comfort of their own devices, perfect for highlighting those luxury rides. Finally, don't forget to brand your photos. A banner with your dealership's name, phone number, and website URL ensures that wherever your photos are seen, from Auto Trader to TrueCar, your dealership is instantly recognizable. Ready to elevate your car merchandising game? EZ360 has the tools you need to take professional quality photos that sell. Contact us to learn more today.